Hi, I'm OJ Hofer. I'm a designer and a visual artist. I teach Tai Chi Chuan, Reiki healing modality, Shoto Japanese calligraphy, and Zenga Zen art. I had just arrived from South America for volunteer work when the ECQ was implemented, and right there at the airport, I noticed the atmosphere of fear. We're afraid of the unknown and the unseen. We fear losing our possessions, power, and social position. We fear losing our loved ones, and most importantly, our own lives. Thus, ignorance, greed, attachment, and anger arise. The antidote for fear is courage, and courage is attained through understanding, mindfulness, and loving kindness. We gain courage by understanding the life cycle of the virus and how it spreads. We gain courage by practicing mindfulness through an immune-boosting diet, observing proper hygiene and safety protocols. We fortify courage by going beyond ourselves to help those who are vulnerable, stricken with disease, or slugging it out on the front lines bravely. Where there's an atmosphere of courage, there's no fear. And when there's no fear, there's only healing. So clothe yourself in courage, friend.